Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M4 Competition Cabriolet in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M4 Competition Cabriolet in Black Sapphire Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we got the headlight welcoming shimmer. And since I've got the key with me, let me just press and hold panic for 1 second. So we've got the full pathway lighting on that displays the entire low beam system. So before we begin the presentation, let me just do a full lap all the way around the car. And I'm starting with the top up so we can show you a couple of the differences, top up and top down. Oh man, black with those laser tails looks crazy. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we've got the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic. This is a metallic paint, so you can see all that metallic flake in the reflection on the lights there. Very reflective paint as well. And it really shows off these lines coming down the hood. And we've got the two sculpted arches up front, BMW Rondelle. And we've got this now iconic vertical kidney grille with the horizontal slats. We have the M4 Competition badging in black on the driver's side. And we've got some honeycomb mesh down here that's hiding some of the air pathways down here for cooling the intercooler, oil cooler into the brake ducts and also for aerodynamics. And I'm just going to press unlock once again. We've got that nice headlight welcoming shimmer. So if we take a closer look at these headlights, you'll see that these are the BMW LED headlights with the blue accents. And we do have those vertical stacks of LEDs there as well. So these look really sweet. I really like the look of these lights. And the internet has deemed these lights to be called the snake eyes. I think that's a pretty good name for it. Now when we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear, double spoke 826M wheel in jet black with the red M compound brake here. I love the design of this wheel. It's a little bit of a pain to clean, but sometimes that's what makes it worth it. On the front fenders, we have the M4 Competition air breather. We also have the rocker panel in black, black M wing mirrors, black convertible top, and we have touch comfort access on both door handles. Look how wide that rear quarter sits. It looks so good. And when we come to the back here, of course we have the beautiful laser tail lights. M4 Competition badging in black with the silver lining. And the trunk lid itself has a natural duckbill. And down here at the bottom, you'll see that we have the quad exhaust. We have the vertical reflectors on each side with the rear diffuser. So since I'm back here, I'm just going to press and hold the tailgate button on the key so that lifts up. There's also a micro switch here you could press. And down here you'll notice we have this piece down, so when the top is not here, you can lift that up to gain some more space. There's the front plate bracket. I can see through the pass-through. We've got the wind deflector in there, carpeted mats, and on this side we have the release lever, and we also have a little netted area that has your tire inflator kit, wheel lock key tow hook, and there's a handle here so you can close this without touching the exterior. And I just wanted to demonstrate. So we'll pull this part down, close this, and now we will be able to take the top down. So I'm just going to press and hold unlock on the key. So first the windows come down, then the top starts going down. And this can be done in motion at speeds up to 35 kilometers an hour. So now that the convertible top is down, when you open this up, we still have this amount of space, but this can no longer be moved out of the way, so there's still some space underneath. but it is reduced because of that convertible top. Now when we come around to the passenger side, you'll see we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. BMW M is looking for Shell V-Power, 93 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put this while you refuel. So that is cool. Now if I go ahead and open the passenger door, you'll see that we have the nice stitching going across here. We also have galvanic controls, big deep door pockets, aluminum M4 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, manual under the thigh extension, headrest illuminates with M4 on there, M tricolor seat belt, and if I lift this up and put the seat forward, it will move forward, allowing us access to the rear seating area. Back here, there's two seating positions, some cup holders down here, M tricolor seat belts in the back as well. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents. Now I did release this from the trunk, so I just wanted to show you the wind deflectors back here. So if I take it out of the bag, so it's just like this. And I'm just gonna set up my camera here for a second. So you just have to take the part with the little clip at the front, like this, and that's towards the front. There are 4 openings here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And guess what you do with these 4 pegs? That's right, you put them into those openings. So it's just like this, and this. And once they're all there, the moment you press this down, and this is down, it's locked into place. You can now put the wind deflector up. And to take it out, you just lift this up, and it'll just all come right out, just like that. Now once you're putting it away, it's going to go back in here a certain way, which is this way. And once you tie that up again, you put it back here. You got to put it in the right spot so you can lock it back into place, just like that. And I'll put this back up, and if that wasn't in the way, there's a pass-through through the center. And when I put the seat back into the recline angle, it will go back to where it previously was positioned. We have the new vent designs, nice soft touch materials with stitching on the dash, carbon fiber interior trim. We've got cascading ambient light, iDrive 8.5 with the M-specific display on the curved screen. Down here, wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, M gear selector, M tricolors there as well, red push start button. If I lift this up, there's a USB Type-C in there. So that is all good, and look how crazy the interior looks. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we open the driver door, you'll see that we have door pull, unlock lock, memory, all 4 windows, each individual window, side mirror, tailgate release, M4 aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. We also have your flat bottom steering wheel, M tricolor stitching, M at 6 o'clock, carbon fiber on the steering wheel, carbon fiber shift paddles as well. And I got some nice stitching up here on the dash. And if I have a seat in here for a second, up top we got some lights. We also have the little mirror here that turns on the light, and we have the SOS button up here for roadside, and we've got microphone on the A-pillar. So now that we've had a chance to look inside of here, let's jump back out of the car. And down here we've got some pedals. There's a little storage area. This is the 2-pull for the hood release, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is. Beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo. This one has 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We have the nice triangular strut brace, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal is this post, washer fluid over here. Beautiful engine bay, and the beast of a car. So BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. You just need to send her down, just like so. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around with the top down, of course. Car looks amazing. I love the red brakes on the black wheels. And of course, you know I love the laser tail lights. And since we found our way to the back here, I've got the key, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And we'll 1, 2, 3 on the lock button again. So how did you like that cold start sound? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M4 Competition Cabriolet in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior. Guess what? This car is available. It's just about to be spring, so good timing if you're looking to get a M car convertible. Hit me up if you're interested. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.